Ready to unlock your dream job? Let's craft a killer CV in Microsoft Word that employers won't be able to ignore. First, fire up Microsoft Word. Instead of starting from a blank document, type CV or resume into the search bar. Word offers a treasure trove of professionally designed templates. Browse through the options and pick a template that resonates with your style and the industry you're targeting. Click Create to open your chosen template. Now, the fun begins. Start replacing the placeholder text with your own information. Begin with your name and contact details at the top. Next, tailor the education and experience sections. Focus on accomplishments, not just responsibilities. Use action verbs to showcase what you achieved in each role. Don't forget to add a skills section. List both hard skills, like proficiency in specific software, and soft skills, such as communication and teamwork. Pay attention to formatting. Use consistent fonts, bullet points, and spacing to make your CV easy to read. The ribbon at the top has all the tools you need. Proofread, proofread, proofread. A typo can be a deal breaker. Ask a friend to review your CV for clarity and accuracy. And that's it. Save your CV as a PDF to preserve formatting now. Get out there and land that interview. Good luck.